Okay, we got a step module. We're underneath the Class A RV. Now I'm going to plug this up. Right here's the step module. We have a faulty gearbox. You'll hear it make all kinds of noise and stuff like that, but thank God the motor is good, so we're able to manipulate it and help it get out. But I'm going to plug this back up, try to do it one-handed. Hear it. It's trying to shut. It's trying to shut. Now listen this. Now I'm going to open it. See the magnet? Failed gearbox. Okay. So now when I go to shut it, see what I'm saying? It's not going to retract. So I could help it. Now you can help the gearbox and push it in, but I don't want to. I wanted to leave it just like that. But it's because I got the chassis running. It's chassis override. Anytime you got your key turned forward like that, I was doing auto level. But now you can turn your entry step off, and the magnet, it will not do anything when you open and shut the door. It will not try to do anything. So all Class A's has an entry step. And then you got your main battery disconnect. That's something that you really need to know about, because like when you're storing an RV, let's say you're not even using this RV, you got it plugged up for a week, come out here, get all these disconnects. That way you come back to a full charge set of batteries, because the signals, the thermostats, and all these little devices pulls small little, I guess, a little bit, enough energy to drain your batteries dead. Just like a truck, just sitting out in the ether. We got a totaled out truck. Never been in a car wreck before, but I've got hit twice. And I can't believe that I told the story. I got knocked out on the last one. I mean, this one really knocked me out, basically. But I told the story plumb ass backwards. I actually told a story that was impossible. So I hope the police officer does an investigation, because there's no black marks. I was pulling into a driveway, and basically a lady went to the left. She went across the lane, so if anything, you could say it was both of our faults, because I was just pulling in somebody's driveway, a double line. She veers to the right, double line. So, and it's like you go to your doctor. It's the holidays. He basically sends you to pain clinic. Pain clinics, they don't want to do nothing. They're all restricted DEA. So you got to go through that whole battle and all that bullshit. So don't go to Dr. Green. I'll say that. Anyways, but they just the reason I don't want to go to a hospital is the needles they got. I don't want their shots, their vaccinations. I don't want them to try to sneak a vaccination on me. And they're always pulling blood. Don't like needles at all. I mean, I'm terrified of needles. But guys, it's Happy New Year from Florida. So let's get back on topic. So Mobile RV Services, we're replacing a step module. So let's get the computer out. Let's see what the computer should be. Computer not on that one. Computer should be. Wait a minute. Computer's in the car, maybe. Anyways.